Good day. I am Hannah Eunice Morada, and I would like to talk about the emotional aspects of middle childhood, their emotional development, and emotional problems. Children in middle childhood are children with ages 6 to 12 years old. How does emotional development proceed during middle childhood? According to Angela Oswald Morale, children make significant progress in their abilities to perceive emotions in themselves and others, control their own emotions, both expressively and with words, during middle childhood. Most youngsters have learned the ability to regulate their own emotions by this age, in contrast to younger children who rely on caretakers to help them control their emotions. Children in middle childhood have progressively internalized these skills. In addition, their social knowledge and appreciation of their culture's rules for expressing emotions improves, allowing them to recognize whether or not it is appropriate to express specific emotions in specific situations. The majorities of youngsters will have improved self-soothing abilities and will be able to calm themselves down when they are angry or agitated. They are no longer at the mercy of their emotions, lashing out impulsively merely because they are strong. Most children will also have begun to understand the complex emotional content involved in interpersonal relationships by this time. They begin to comprehend the reality of mixed and complex emotions as they witness other people's conflicting, emotion-driven behaviors. For example, seeing someone cry and laugh at the same time. They also know that people's reported emotions may not necessarily correspond to the feeling they are actually experiencing, such as when someone smiles tensely and says that everything is fine, when the context makes clear that things are actually not that good. Sarcasm, as well as other subtle and conflicting emotional expressions, become understandable to children at this age. Children's perspective taking abilities and empathy skills improve as they learn analyzing people's complicated emotional expressions. Children's perspective taking abilities include the ability to imagine what other people are thinking and feeling, as well as comprehending what it must be like to view and feel the world through the eyes of others. Empathy abilities refers to a child's ability to empathize so completely with another person's emotions that they begin to experience those same emotions. But what problems do children have when they cannot manage or control their emotions? As children move through middle childhood, they become better at regulating the expression of their emotions. However, some children direct negative emotions toward themselves, called internalizing behavior, and others direct negative emotions at others, called externalizing behavior. Internalizing behaviors include being nervous or irritable, being withdrawn, eating more or less than usual, feeling afraid, feeling lonely, feeling unloved or unwanted, and having concentration problems. Externalizing behavior includes physical aggression, verbal bullying, relational aggression, defiance, theft, and vandalism. These types of behavior may result from the kinds of adverse childhood experiences or ACEs, such as child abuse, death of a parent, neglection, and parental separation. Some causes of these behaviors might also be fear and anxiety, sadness and depression, anger and aggression. If things get out of hand, dealing with these behaviors can be through treatment interventions, which includes drug therapies, behavior management or experiential therapy, psychotherapy, and parenting effectiveness programs. Now remember, middle childhood brings many changes in a child's life, and a children's ability to successfully manage their emotions plays a critical role in their ability to form and maintain social relationships. The information gathered for this topic were from these sites if you wish to learn more. Then that would be all, and thank you for listening.